Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to turn off Facebook autoplay videos. If Facebook video starts playing automatically while you're scrolling, you can disable autoplay to save data and reduce distractions. Here's how to turn off Facebook autoplay videos on different devices. So, if you're using iPhone, so open the Facebook app, then tap your profile in the bottom right corner, then scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Then select Settings, then scroll down to Preferences until you see media. Select media. Then from here, go to video playback. So choose settings for the ways you'll watch. When your battery is low, Reels may not autoplay. So autoplay in feed and story, select never. And that's it. If you're using Android, you can open Facebook app, then tap your profile picture, then go to settings and privacy, then select settings and tap autoplay if available. If not, go to video playback and set it to never. So basically, it's the same steps when using iPhone. So if you can find the autoplay option, you can update the Facebook app to the latest version. You can restart the app after changing the setting. You can clear the app cache on Android if the option isn't working. And that's it. Thank you for watching.